Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's Slack tutorial I'll be showing you how you can add Zoom to your Slack channels, and by doing that you can create Zoom meetings in Slack without leaving it. So let's get started. First thing first, let's sign in. I'm going to speed up this process. Once you're logged in and you are here in your Slack workspace, you need to click on Add Apps. If you can't find it right here, click on More. Here click on Automations, and here search for Zoom. And there you can see in available apps, the Zoom is right here. Just click on it. This will navigate you to the Slack app directory. And now from here, just click on Add to Slack. Here if you want to add the Zoom for all members, you can select this. Or if you want to add Zoom for yourself or for your specific channels, you can click on this one. But for now, let's add Zoom for all members. Here you need to sign in for your Zoom account. I'll just speed up this process. This will ask you to allow and agree to the terms and conditions. And once you do that, the Zoom will be added to your Slack channels. Here just click on Connect Workspace. And now from right here, Zoom is requesting permissions to access your workspace. Once you read all of them, just click on Allow. And now as you can see, your workspace is now connected with your Zoom account. Now you need to close this one out and go back to Slack channel. Let's go to the home and do a quick refresh. As you can see right here, the Zoom is added to your Slack workspace. And now by using all of these commands in your channels, you can add the Zoom meeting or start a Zoom meeting right here. For example, if I go to my channel in the team updates, here I'll just add the slash Zoom and hit enter. As you can see, the Zoom has created a link to join your meeting in just few easy steps. Now people can join by just clicking on this join button and you're good to go. And there you go. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.